Today's real estate FAQ is, are FHA loans only for first-time homebuyers? And the answer is absolutely not. While the low down payment option and the flexible underwriting criteria do make FHA loans appealing for some first-time homebuyers, they can be used by anyone who qualifies. If you have any questions about getting a mortgage or buying a home or real estate in general, let us know and we'd be happy to answer it either in person or on one of our future videos. And be sure to check out all of the other real estate FAQ videos that we have on social media and on YouTube. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California.